Good morning, students. So now we are going to discuss about this problem. Here f vector is given as 3x square I vector plus 5xy square j vector plus x y z cube k vector. So we have to find del of del dot f vector and del dot del cross f vector at the point x 1, 2 and 3. So first we are going to find del dot f vector. Here del is equal to I vector dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y and plus k vector dou by dou z. So f vector is the given question. Here we are going to dot product these two terms. We already know that I vector dot I vector is equal to 1. So dou by dou x of 3x square plus dou by dou y of 5xy square and dou by dou z of xyz cube. On differentiating each of the term, we get the answer as 6x plus 10xy plus 3xy z square. So now we have to multiply with del. So I vector dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z into 6x plus 10xy plus 3xy z square. Here we are going to multiply. So each of the I vector term is multiplied with 3 other terms. Similarly j vector with other 3 and k vector with other 3. So we get the answer as 6 plus 10y plus 3y z square I vector plus 10x plus 3x z square into j vector plus 6y x z. Now we are going to substitute the values as 1, 2, 3 in the position of x, y and z. So we get the final answer as 44 I vector plus 37 j vector plus 36 k vector. Next we are supposed to find del dot del cross f vector. So del dot f vector can be calculated by using the determinant formula as I, j, k vector in the first row, and second row denotes the coefficient of the del vector del. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. The third row denotes the coefficients of f vector, that is 3x square, 5xy square and xyz cube. So on finding the determinant, we get I vector into x z cube minus 0 minus j vector into y z cube minus 0 plus k vector into 5y square minus 0. So the answer is x z cube I vector minus y z cube j vector plus 5y square k vector. Now we have to dot product the above answer with del. So I vector into dou by dou x plus j vector into dou by dou y plus k vector into dou by dou z into the above is dot product with the above answer. We get as I into dou by dou x of x z cube minus j vector into dou by dou y of y z cube minus k vector of dou by dou z of 5y square. 5y square. K. So the answer is z cube minus z cube. On cancelling both of these, we will get the answer as 0. Thank you.